Can't hear you. I cannot hear you. Your microphone is not connected. I cannot hear you. Can't hear you. Wait a minute. I can hear you now. Okay, okay. Diamond, can you hear me? Good evening. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, you are so handsome tonight. Where did you go today? Wait. You look so handsome. Where did you go today? You look so handsome. Where did you go? Where did you go today, Diamond? Okay, okay. How are you? How are you, Diamond? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So my question is, how are you? How are you, Diamond?
Yes.
How are you? Are you okay?
Yes. Yes.
Can you say, I'm fine, teacher?
I'm fine.
Good, okay. So let's start, okay? Now I'll ask you again, what letter is this? Letter? Letter? What's that? Letter T. T.
E. T.
Okay, good. Now what is that?
Turtle.
Very good. What's this? Number 2, what's that?
I don't know.
Tent. Tent.
10.
Good. Number 3, what is that?
Tiger.
Very good. Number 4, what is that?
Teacher.
Very good. Okay. Now, let's proceed. What letter is this? Letter? Letter? What letter? Letter U. U.
You.
Okay, letter U. Okay, what is that in the picture? What's that? This one, what is that?
I don't know.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Good, okay. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes.
How many? How many?
2.
2. Okay, nice one. Okay, next, number 2. What's that? What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, wait. I want you to listen, okay? Listen.
Page 68. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella. Umbrella.
2,
Up. Up.
Up. Up.
3,
Uncle. Uncle.
Uncle. Uncle.
4,
Umpire. Umpire.
Umpire.
Okay, so again, number 2, what is that?
Up.
Very good. Up. Okay, number 3, who is
Uncle.
good? Number 4,
Umpire.
good job. Okay, what letter is this? Letter U.
You.
Yes, big U, small u. Okay? Okay. Now, match the sound. Okay, Diamond, answer this one, please. Listen and write, then match. So that is
Okay.
uncle. Then where are you going to match that? Uncle is matched where? Uncle.
Uncle.
Okay, very good. Uncle to umpire. Okay, next. Umbrella, good job. Next. Oh, very good. Up. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Next. Read. This
It.
is this is
It. This.
is this is
It.
an umpire.
Indeed. Indeed. An umpire.
Again, this is an umpire. Say it again.
Did in an umpire.
Very good. Good job, Diamond. Okay. Now I will ask you again. What's that?
Umpire.
Good. Next.
Uncle. Uncle.
Next.
Umbrella. Up.
Good. What is the color of the umbrella? What's the color?
Yes.
What's the color? Color of the umbrella. What is the color of the umbrella? What color is it?
Màu sắc của chiếc ô là gì?
What is the color? Color?
Red.
Uh-huh. I think it's pink. Okay, how about this one? What color is it? Color?
I don't know.
Oh, purple.
Purple.
Purple. Okay, wait.
Purple.
Yes, the color is purple. Okay, màu tím.
Màu tím.
Okay, next. What letter is that? Letter. It is letter. Yes, letter V. V
V.
V. Okay. Now,
V.
listen. Listen, Diamond.
Page 70. The letter V. A. Listen
Van.
and repeat. Hello, I'm a violet van.
Violet.
V. This is the V sound. This is the letter V. 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 Violet van.
V. V. Violet van.
Very good. Now, what is this, Diamond? It's a... What is this?
Van.
Violet van.
Van.
Violet van.
Violet van.
Okay, the color is violet, okay? Now, look at the picture, then tell me what are these? Number 1, what's that?
Van.
Good. 2,
I don't know.
okay, listen.
Page 70. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Van. Van.
Van. Van.
2,
Vet. Vet.
Vet. Vet.
3,
Vest. Vest.
Vest. Vest.
4,
Violin. Violin.
Violin.
Okay, so number 2, what's this?
Vest.
Good. Vet. Vet. Okay, next. Number 3.
I don't know.
Okay, it's called vest. Vest.
Ah.
Vest.
Vest.
Good. Okay, do you have a vest?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, next. Number 4. What is that?
Violin.
Good job.
Violin.
Violin. Do you have a violin? Do you have a violin?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I have a question. Can you play a violin?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Okay. So what letter is this again? It's letter V. Okay. Big
V.
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 Yes.
V. 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 V.
Big V, small V. Okay.
V. Small. V.
Yes.
V. V. Small.
Small. Big V, small V. Oh, very smart, Diamond. Okay. Now I want you to circle, okay? Which one begins with a V sound? Okay, answer, Diamond. Which ones begin with the V sound? Number 1, what's your answer? Which ones begins with V sound? Do you know? In the picture, that's some money.
Money.
Sun. No. Where? What picture begins with V? V sound.
Van.
What's
Van.
this? Vest. That's a vest, okay? Okay. Yep, that is V. Good. Yeah,
Finally.
correct. Okay, what else? Violin, very good. Next. What else? Very good. That is a vest. Vest. Okay, one more. What is it? Number 4.
Vest.
Yeah, that is a vest. Okay, number 4. Okay, vet. Vet.
Vest.
Vet. Yes, vet. Doctor of animals. Okay, very good, Diamond. Okay, now read this one, please. Read. Yes.
I.
Is. Is.
I did you one.
Again, is. Is.
I if you one.
Again, is this your van?
Did it your one.
Is. Can you say it again? Is. Is this your van? Again, please.
Did it a one.
Okay. So now let's continue. Okay. Which ones begin with the same sound? Now you need to circle, okay? Which ones begin with the same sound? What's your answer in number 1?
Little and one. Little
Oh,
and
very good, turtle and teacher. Good job. Okay. Next, number 2.
tiger and turtle.
Huh? Tiger and? What's this? That is a seal. Seal.
Seal.
Tiger is T. Tiger. That means they don't have the same sound. No, what is it?
Turtle and tiger.
No. Soup and seal. They have the same sound, okay? Okay. Next, number 3, please. What is your answer?
Van and Emily.
Very good again, very good. Okay, next, number 4. Oh, very good. Nice one. Great job, Diamond. Very smart. Okay. Now, circle the first letter of the picture, okay?
Violin.
Violin. Violin starts, okay, very good. V. Okay, number 2.
Seal.
Theo, what
Seal.
letter? Correct again. Good job. Number 3. Number 3. What's that? That is umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella starts with letter what? Good job. Yes. Umbrella starts with letter U. Okay, number 4. What is that?
Tiger.
Good job. Yep, that is a tiger. Well, very good, Diamond. Okay. So now let's proceed in here. You need to read, okay? Number 1. The
The sun. The sun. It up.
Very good. Okay, next. Number 2.
He.
Hi.
Hi. This is my uncle.
He is
This is a vest.
very good again. Okay, next. Number 3.
Do you
Do you have?
do
Have.
you do you have a do you have a car?
Good.
No. No, I don't.
Good. Okay, next. What?
What? What is that?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Very good.
I eat a small tiger.
Again, it is. It is.
It is a small tiger.
Eh? Wow, very good. Okay, now, what letter is that letter? Letter what? Okay, now listen, Diamond, listen.
Page 74.
Oh,
Unit 8. W, X, Y, Z. The letter W. A. Listen and repeat.
Hi, I'm a wise wolf.
Wolf.
W. W. This is the W sound. This is the letter W. 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 Wise wolf.
W. W. Wise wolf.
What's the beginning sound?
W.
What letter is this?
W.
Okay, again, Diamond, what letter is this? Letter what? W. Can you say it? W.
W.
Good. Okay, who is that? Who is that? Wise
White.
wolf.
White wolf.
Again, wise wolf. Wise wolf. Say it again. Wise wolf.
White wolf.
Good. Okay, do you want to play a game? Do you want to play food? What do you want to play? Food or animal? Wait. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? No or yes?
Yes.
Okay. What game do you want? What game do you want? Food? Animals? Oh, I know. Okay, we are going to play Where is Cat? Wait a minute. Okay, so let's have the easy one. Okay. Okay. So now, Diamond, I want you to choose a number. Choose a number.
1.
1. Where is the cat?
I don't know.
What's that? What's this?
I don't know.
Ah, we call that think. Think. Can you
Think.
say yes? So again, where is the cat, Diamond?
Yes.
Where is the cat? The cat is in the sink. Now read, please.
Fish.
In the sink.
In the cave.
Okay. Okay, I choose 4. Where is the cat? Where
Toilet.
is toilet? Okay, in the toilet.
Toilet.
In, do not forget in.
Toilet.
Read in the toilet.
In the toilet.
Good. Okay. What number next? Number
2.
3.
2.
Where is the cat? Where is the cat?
I don't know.
Okay. By the computer. Can you say it?
Computer. Computer.
By the computer.
By the computer.
Okay, or next to the computer. Okay. Now let's go back. Again, what letter is this? Letter? It's letter? Letter? W. Can you say it? W. W.
W.
Yes, do not forget. Okay, Diamond. So that is letter W. Okay, now in the picture, what is number 1? What is that? What is that?
W.
No. The picture. It's a
Dog. Dog.
wolf. Wolf.
Wolf.
Yes, it's a wolf. Okay. Do you like wolf?
No.
Why not? Why
I
not?
don't know.
You
I don't
don't
know.
know. Okay, Diamond, we don't really have more time left because we started, sorry, early. So I will see you again next time. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Sabiet.